Hello, I'm Miss Katerina Alvarado, and I'm going to answer three questions throughout this video. First one, what did you learn from this course and how did this course change your thinking about teaching? The second one is my key takeaways from this course, and the third one is what are you looking forward to learning throughout this program or future programs. So to answer the first one, what did you learn from this course? Main things I learned about that I enjoyed was differentiating instruction so that because there are a variety of learners out there. For me, I'm a unique learner and I know that my students, my future students are all going to be different. And so I need to learn how to differentiate my methods and delivery of the content so that everyone can learn the best. The next question, how has this course changed your way of thinking? It's actually changed it immensely. Before I just thought of teaching as a dream of mine that would come true eventually, maybe, yeah. I always wanted to. But now that I'm actually implementing lesson plans, thinking about how I'm going to put things into my grade book, look at what else, how I want to seat my students, how I want to deliver the content for everybody, thinking about games, thinking about how to assess them. All those things have pretty much changed the way I've looked at teaching. Now I can actually see myself as a teacher, and the whole profession isn't as scary and abstract to me anymore. So, moving on to the next question of my major key takeaways. My main one was the implementation of technology. That was a huge takeaway for me because honestly, I used to loathe using technology. Still kind of do, but I'm getting way better at it. Especially with this course, it implemented technology everywhere. It was an online class, first of all, which I was nervous about, but it was great. It taught me how to, for one, use a website. I never thought I'd create my own website and have it that was all about me and my classroom, specifically to aid in their learning and stuff like that. So making a website, Animaker was awesome. I will definitely keep that in my back pocket and use it again because that was actually fun to create and it's a good way to deliver your message to your students. So that's the second one. The lesson plan, that wasn't totally technology, but it was just a good practice for me to get out there and just like make a lesson plan. It was a total abstract idea to me. I didn't think I could do it, but it wasn't too bad at all. And then now I can see myself more as a teacher. So my main takeaway for this credential course is, or intro to credential course, is the technology and implementation. Didn't want to use it. I was afraid. I was like, nope, it's going to be overwhelming. But the way this class incorporated it in, using bit by bit by bit to make this big old project at the end, was a great idea because I didn't get overwhelmed. I like technology more. It's more of a friend to me. And it's just my main takeaway for this course is technology can help me in my future in helping my students deliver the message of what I have to say. Next question is, what else are you looking forward to learning throughout the program? Well, pretty much the answer to this question piggybacks off of my last answer. I want to learn more technologies, which is crazy that I'm saying that because I used to not like technologies, but I had such a good experience with them throughout this course. I'm ready to learn more, just like the website, the Animaker, everything else. More resources for me to pass on to my students. Thank you for listening to my video. Bye.